Maybe you don't have to smile so sad. Laugh when you're feeling bad. I promise I won't chase you. You don't have to dance so blue. You don't have to say I do when baby you don't. Just tell me the one thing you never told me, then let go of me. He'll just throw me. Maybe if you wanna go home, tell me if I'm back on my own, giving back a heart that's on loan. Just tell me if you wanna go home. Oh, maybe you don't have to kill so kind, pretend to ease my mind, but baby you won't. Oh sugar, you don't have to be so sweet. I know who you're going to meet. Don't say that I don't. So maybe I won't let your memory haunt me. I'll be sleepwalking with the lonely. If you take
me, let me go. I don't wanna be your hero. I don't wanna be a big man. I just wanna fight with everyone else. Your masquerade. I don't wanna be a part of your parade. Everyone deserves a chance to walk with everyone else, while holding down a job to keep my girl around, and maybe buy me some new strings and her a night out on the weekend. And we can whisper things, secrets from our American dreams. Baby needs some protection, but I'm a kid like everyone else.